hope you're having a great day. So people always come out to the farm and they see this. And they're like, oh, are you having a bad year? Where are all your flowers? Well, I'm usually up before them until I get them all out of the field. So this is my harvest today, and I have a lot more flowers inside from yesterday. The field is bursting, it's getting exciting. I've showed you a lot of the harvesting early on, so you can go back and review earlier videos or videos named like harvesting this plant, where I show it in detail, but pretty much I have busy mornings and I'm already late to get to the florist, and then I have 8 bouquets to make. So I will just take pictures and try to update you as I go. I got all of my bouquets delivered. So I got everything harvested today, and I threw the picture up of everything I harvested. My refrigerators are packed to the brim. But everything is actually fitting in them. And I made all of my bouquets and delivered all of my bouquets, and I got to clean up all of my buckets and clean everything in preparation for the farmer's market tomorrow. So I did get it all done, and now I get, it looks shaded over there, so I could go weed, but I'm done. I'm ready to go home and have some supper or dinner or whatever you call it. I think dinner is lunch. Supper. I'm gonna go home and have some supper and put together a YouTube video and take it easy until tomorrow. Oh, I'm so excited. I wondered if I would get all of those delivered before 5. I wanted to just get them done before 5, and I did. So, goal accomplished. And I'll be back out here bright and early tomorrow morning. I hope everybody has a fantastic day.